Hello guys, so now we will discuss about logic puzzles. So logic puzzles can be solved by using deductive reasoning and a chart that enables us to display the given information in a visual manner. I have here an example problem. Each of our four neighbors, Sean, Maria, Sarah, and Brian, has a different occupations. Editor, banker, chef, or dentist. From the following clues, determine the occupation of each neighbor. So reading on the first clue, Maria gets home from work after the bunker but before the dentist. So we will have to use a strategy. So the one possible strategy to answer this problem is to create a table. So we have here a table consisting of columns and rows. The columns represents the four people involved in the problem and the rows represents the different occupations. So what we can do in our table is to mark what we conclude from the first clue. We can put an X mark here that says Maria is not the banker and not the dentist. The second clue we have is Sarah, who is the last to get home from work, is not the editor. So the obvious conclusion that we can get here is Sarah is not the editor. Therefore, we can put an X mark here. Sarah is not the editor. But what else? Is that the only conclusion that we can derive from the second statement? I don't think so. So we have to connect the first two clues to get more conclusions from them. In the first statement, it said that Maria goes home before the bunker, so the bunker cannot be the last to go home. It also means that Sarah is not the bunker because Sarah is the last to get home. The third clue said that the dentist and Sarah leave for work at the same time. So they cannot be the same person. We will put X mark here because Sarah is not the dentist. So if Sarah is not an editor, a banker, and a dentist, then she must be the chef. So if Sarah is the chef, we can now put X mark to Sean, Maria, and Brian because they cannot be the chef because it explained in the problem that the occupations are well distributed to the people involved. Maria is not the banker, the chef, nor the dentist, so she must be the editor. So Sean is not the editor, nor Brian. The last clue says the banker lives next door to Brian, so Brian is not the banker. He must be the dentist, and because of that, Sean cannot be the dentist because he is the banker. That's the last option for Sean. So we now know that Sean is the banker, Maria is the editor, Sarah is the chef, and Brian is the dentist.